Today we'd like to welcome guest Chef John. Chef John has been grilling and chilling for many years. Today he's going to show us how to make his famous Caribbean jerk pork chops, Tennessee style, with a grilled baked sweet potato and a broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot salad. The ingredients you will need are allspice, cinnamon, jerk seasoning, hot red pepper sauce, Worcestershire sauce, mango scotch bonnet hot sauce, olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic, and of course pork chops. Well, let's get started. Chef John found some pork chops, rubbed them in olive oil, St. Martin's Old Man jerk seasoning, allspice and cinnamon, mango scotch bonnet hot sauce, Chula's chili lime hot sauce, as well as a little salt and pepper, and he let marinate overnight in the refrigerator. The next morning, Chef John cranked up the big green egg, loaded it with hickory wood chunks, and cooked the pork chops on a low and slow smoky fire for 30 minutes. They were glazed on each side with honey. Along with the pork chops, he put sweet potatoes on the grill for a smoky bake. When the pork chops were ready and the sweet potatoes were tender, he added butter. Next, he chopped his carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. He mixed it all together and added a homemade honey dressing that was infused with garlic and ginger. The meal pairs well with a tall glass of iced tea. Chef John prefers his unsweetened. The pork chops were juicy and tender and had a great Caribbean flavor. We would like to thank Chef John for sharing his recipe with us today. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.